Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to be making some air fryer jerk chicken. So to start, I have about 2 pounds of chicken legs with back attached pieces, and now I'm going to start seasoning. For the seasonings, I'm going to start by drizzling a bit of olive oil, and this will help the seasonings stick to the chicken. Then I'll be starting off with some salt, black pepper, paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, a bit of chicken seasoning, some dried thyme leaves, some ground allspice, and then I'll be adding in about 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning. Next, I'll be adding in some jerk seasoning, and this is the jerk seasoning that I usually use. And then I'm just going to give this a good mix, making sure that all the chicken pieces are evenly coated with the seasoning. Now typically you would let this marinate overnight, but if you're in a bit of a time crunch, you want to let this sit for at least an hour before you pop it in the air fryer. Now to get the air fryer ready, I've put the temperature to 400 degrees, and for the timer, I'm going to put it on about 35 minutes. Once the air fryer is preheated, I'm going to add in my chicken pieces. I'm going to turn the chicken halfway through cooking. Now once there's about 5 minutes left of cooking, I like to add a bit of barbecue sauce. Now you can use a jerk barbecue sauce at this point, or any type of barbecue sauce that you like. Today I'm going to be using some Diana sauce. So I'm just going to flip the chicken back over. After that, I'll add some more sauce to the other side, and then pop it back in for another 2 minutes. And that's it. All done. Air fryer jerk chicken. The chicken came out juicy and moist. You could taste all the seasonings, and everyone in the house loved it. If you prep this ahead of time or the night before, this will make for a quick and easy weeknight meal, as this only takes about 35 minutes to cook. Now, if you enjoyed today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like, comment on how you make your jerk chicken, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.